Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Zoolander back for another video. This video we be playing not Bed Wars, but some Sky Wars because it's just me right now. So yeah, we're just gonna be playing one of the new Skywar games, laboratory games. Solo. I want to play. Tnt Madness. I'm not that good at this, but it's fun. So we're gonna play a few games of each. Oh yeah. Still, I'm a prisoner melon skin. I'm noob. Okay, good for you. Also, guys, don't worry. I am going to be turning down my chat. Sorry if you guys can hear the background noise. If not, that's pretty awkward. Kind of want to wait for these people. Oh, that was cool. Alright. I don't know where those people went. Let's go mid. Oh, whew. I always feel like it's gonna mess up. Alright, there. Oh, what the heck? No. Sorry guys, I am kind of focused on myself also. No one else here, so yeah. No one really talked to anything about. Well, so we'll do one more round. John the Bed Wars got lit name, bruh. Lit. Alright, so yeah, after this video I will that barely worked. I'm glad it did. I know I didn't get the other shots, leave me alone. Let's go. I wanna PvP these noobs. Okay, they might not be noobs. They were probably better than me by 10 times 10. But I'm gonna spam place explode this TNT. Well, that almost worked. Did I killed that person. I can't believe that actually worked. That's amazing. Okay. Oh, it's 4 people. Get as much of this instant TNT. Oh, an explosive bow. Alright, there. Let's just do this. Alright, 1 person left. I'm probably gonna lose though, guys, because I'm not the best at this game. We're going. He's running away. No. GG. All right. Well, yeah, GG. All right. Well, almost won. No, leave. Return to lobby. All right. We'll play. I have to take my. Alright, laboratories. solo rush. I've never played rush before, so rush experiment. Use ender pearls from the chest. No pearl in combat. Refill pearls often. You have speed too. Okay. The perks are disabled in this mode. This should be fun. Start out with sharp 2 swords. I guess that's really the type of sword you get. Not in combat, not in combat, not in combat. Oh. A sharp 2 diamond sword. Alright, so I've never played this game before, so I don't know if you like rush and all that. So sorry guys about my noobiness. Alright, so it looks like there's one other person. Oh, cloud chest. Hopefully a god chest. I mean. Alright, so let's see. What the hell? No. What the heck? What the heck? Alright, well, we'll do one more game. And we'll do, like, a Blizzard or something. I don't know what other games there are to play. I haven't really played much of the new hypixel games. What is this chest? Because it's right there. Ooh. Alright, let's rush this guy. I don't think that guy's that good at PvP. Oh. Alright, we'll do one more game because that was really short. And it's pretty fun. Trash. Yeah, I feel accomplished. I killed an AFK person. What are you guys doing with your lives? Exactly. Oh, I got away from that easily. Okay, maybe not easily. But I got away from that. What? No, that's hacks. Alright, that's what I hate. That's the one bad thing about hypixel. He wasn't even looking at me. Yeah. Alright, well. Hacky sating. I'm sorry, guys. Cringy. I know. Let's do some. I don't like the floor is lava, honestly. So let's do killed by color. I've never played this one. Break all armor on players. Use right colors. Use the right colors. Read the items. Text. Armor. Auto equips. I've never played this before, so kind confusing. So yeah. What? Red breaker. What? Color fish. Shuffles the colors of all your armor you have. Okay, well, I don't have armor. And I don't have block. I've never played this before. Sorry, guys. Okay, well, that's not fun. Kind of confusing. We'll play a game of Blizzards, and then I'm gonna end the video. So one more game, guys. Sorry guys, I did kind of rush this video. It's just because I had to get a video up fast. I mean, it's 9:35, and I was doing stuff all day, like NBA 2K17. Fun, I know. Even though 2K18's coming out soon, which is gonna be lit. I can't wait to get it. Also, guys, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. But oh yeah, Blizzard. Oh, I don't really remember how to play this one, honestly. Is it like normal Skywars, maybe? Spawn a snowball. Wow, I have a lot of snowball. Oh yeah, see? That's how you win. I'm sorry. Right there, that's how you win. Oh, speed 2. This one's more fun, kind of. In my opinion, at least, because it's not as fast-paced. I'll go mid. I am playing one more game. I am sorry. I cannot believe I just did that. That was great. Wouldn't you say? Alright, so this is going to be the last one. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a comment saying what you like most about the video, and like and subscribe. All that's greatly appreciated here on this channel. Yeah. Kind of focus there, guys. Did that look like someone was flying, but I'm not sure. I'm not gonna accusate. Okay, yes I am. He was hacking completely, 100%. Okay, I'm focused. I'm gonna PvP with the shovel, I take it. Oh, do a lot of extra damage. Uh-oh. I don't like this. Well, like, I like this, but... Bye. Just on some snow golems. Hey, leave my snow golems alone. Yay! Oh no, I'm low on health. Uh-oh. That guy's dead. Uh-oh. I am focused, guys. So, because I want to win. Oh. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap up this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys. Bye.